Modern tents often struggle in strong winds, the fabric bends, the frame weakens, and sometimes they collapse completely. But inside a traditional tipi, even during a storm, it could stay surprisingly calm and stable. The secret was in the shape, a cone that lets the wind flow around it, instead of pushing directly against it. Its wooden poles were tightly tied together, creating constant tension, making the whole structure stronger under pressure. Modern tents often fight the wind with flat surfaces and weak angles, and that's why they fail. But the teepee worked with nature, not against it, and that made all the difference.